morning. Back again with the Sport Today's program. Still with me, Sandra Monica as your news anchor, who of course provides the latest and most reliable information in sport linked. 28 December 2019, PSSI appointed Shin Tae-yong as coach of the Indonesian national team. The man who was born on 11 October 1970 was appointed to fill the vacant seat of coach of the Garuda national team after Simon McManamy was fired. This makes him the first figure from South Korea to hold this position. Before being appointed by PSSI, Shin Tae-yong was the coach of the South Korean national team in several age groups. But in 2017, he was promoted to coach of the South Korean elderly team. Together with South Korea, Shin Tae-yong took part in several competitions, one of which was the 2018 World Cup. Shin Tae-yong started his coaching career with the Indonesian national team in January 2020.
그 인도네시아는 선수들이 이동하려면 장거리로 비행으로 다 이동을 해야 되기 때문에 근육 안에 쌓여있는 저산이나 이런 걸 풀어주기 위해서 오늘은 무리한 운동보다는 워밍을 하면서 근력을 끌어올릴 수 있는 피곤한 근력을 끌어올릴 수 있는 많이 뽑고 뜯어가지 평상시에는 또 말도 많이 하고 같이 뽑고 뜯어 갔다 와서 바뀐 선수들은 부상 선수 인주리 부상 선수들이 있어서 그 선수들이 문제가 있어 시키게 됐다.
The former South Korean national team player had to continue the struggle of the Garuda team in Group G of the 2022 World Cup qualifiers. Indonesia at that time was joined by Thailand, the United Arab Emirates, Malaysia, and Vietnam, where Indonesia's first four matches were still led by former Bayangkara FC coach Simon McManamy. The Scottish coach was unable to bring out the best quality from the national team, where all four qualifying matches ended without a win. Finally, Simon was fired and replaced by Shin Tae-yong. Shin Tae-yong also managed the national team for the under-23 age group. In total, there have been 8 under U23 national team matches led by the coach from South Korea. Speculation about Shin Tae-yong's future has officially ended. The coach from South Korea officially extended his contract with the Indonesian national team. Shin Tae-yong first managed the Indonesian national team in 2020. He was appointed by PSSI to replace Simon McManamy as head of coach of the Garuda squad. During his 4 years managing the Indonesian national team, Shin Tae-yong recorded many achievements. One of them is that his success in bringing the Indonesian national team into the third round of qualifying for the 2026 World Cup in the Asian zone. PSSI and fans of the Indonesian nationality team are currently worried because the 53 years coach's contract will expire in the next few months. Not to mention that recently it has been rumored that Shin Tae-hyung will return to manage the South Korean national team. However, all the worries disappeared because Shin Tae-hyung officially extended his contract with the national team, with the Indonesian national team. PSSI confirmed Shin Tae-hyung's continued involvement in the Indonesian national team. Through their upload, PSSI confirmed that the coach had agreed to sign a new 3-year contract until 2027. Through this Instagram account, the general chairman of PSSI, Mr. Erick Thohir, also confirmed Shin Tae-hyung's contract extensions. He said, "We have agreed to continue fighting together so that the Indonesian national team will progress, achieve, and become global." Shin Tae-hyung also admitted that he was happy to be able to extend his contract with the national Indonesian team. He said, "We have decided to work with President Erick until 2027. We have asked you for support for Indonesian football." So, for the fans of Indonesian football, don't worry about it. Okay, thank you for today, and don't forget to follow and stay tuned with our program Sport Today.